In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Format Painter. I'm pointing at the Format Painter tool right here. I absolutely love this tool in Microsoft Word. It makes my job so much easier. The purpose of the Format Painter is to be able to copy formatting attributes that have been applied to text. So before we can use this, I'm going to go ahead and apply some formatting to this text right here. As you can see here, I've applied bold, underline, I've increased my font size, and changed my font color. What I'd like to do is copy the attributes that I've applied to this text and then use the Format Painter to paint those attributes onto other areas in the document. The Format Painter is unique. If you single click on this button, you're allowed to paint the attributes one time. If you double click on this button, you can paint those attributes in multiple areas. So I'm going to go ahead and double click. After you double click the Format Painter and you move your cursor into the document, you'll notice a little paintbrush attached to your I-beam pointer. At this point, I can go to the other locations in my document and I can apply those attributes. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just clicking and dragging over the text that I want to apply these attributes. So far, I've been showing how to click and drag over the text, but you can position your mouse in the selection bar, and as long as your mouse is pointing towards the text and you have this little arrow, you can click and it would apply that format to the entire line. When you have finished applying the format throughout the document, you can turn off the Format Painter by single clicking one time on top of it. And now you'll notice that my I-beam pointer no longer has the paintbrush attached to it. As you can see, this is a really quick and efficient way to format all the paragraph headings in your document. So here is a tip for you. If you have selected text and you've selected the Format Painter and you're going through your document and you're using the Format Painter, say you click on a word that you didn't want to have those attributes. What you will need to do is click the Undo button, and that will remove those attributes, but you'll notice it also removed the Format Painter from my I-beam pointer. So then what I would have to do is go back and select something that has the attributes that I want and then reselect the Format Painter to start applying. You could also finish what you started and then go back and fix the text. Let's say that you accidentally applied the attribute somewhere else in your document that you didn't want the attribute. So in this example, let's say I mistakenly applied the formatting to this word and I didn't want that. Well, what I could do is I could select a different word within that sentence. So I've selected it. I'm going to go back to my Format Painter, and then I'm just going to correct my mistake that way. So that is my quick tip on how to use the Format Painter. I hope you enjoy this tool in Microsoft Word.